Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cybertruck token. Ticker symbol is TRUCK. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 2nd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Cybertruck token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Name of the token is Cybertruck, all one word. Ticker symbol is TRUCK. They already have 3,089 holders. There's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion TRUCK tokens. Now, it was just announced that the Cybertruck token will be listed on P2B crypto exchange December 2nd. So basically, if you're looking to get this token, there's a couple different ways to get it. You can get it off of Uniswap right now. That's where most likely most of those 3,000 holders got it from. By funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Cybertruck token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, cybertruck.finance. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. We'll have a look in a second to see if there's taxes or anything like that. Now on their webpage, cybertruck.finance, you can find a link to their Etherscan that has the contract address. Also Uniswap, how to buy, so it'll tell you exactly step by step how to use Uniswap right on their webpage. Real easy to do. Or you could download P2B from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. And on December 2nd, you fund your account with USDT after you open an account. Go into the trade section and search TRUCK, and then simply just buy the token. So those are a couple different ways to get this token. Now they have a Telegram you can follow at TRUCK Portal. Really easy to find. 1,969 Telegram members so far. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here at TruckCoinETH. So it says TRUCK is inspired by Elon Musk's Cybertruck and is built on the Ethereum chain and is not actually affiliated with Elon Musk or Tesla Incorporated. It is just a meme coin, basically just an homage to Cybertrucks. Now, they have 7,384 Twitter followers, and they just joined in November 2023. Brand new project. Has a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there. 76 tweets so far, so you can find a lot of tweets. Now on their webpage, you can find a full white paper. If you click on the sidebar on their webpage, you can find white paper, how to buy, DEX tools, Uniswap, 1inch, Flues Trade, Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, and Instagram. Tons of links there. So what is this project all about here? So Elon Musk's influence in the world of cryptocurrency has extended beyond his ventures like Tesla and SpaceX. Check out this sweet SpaceX hoodie here. Giving rise to meme coins inspired by his innovative spirit and witty online presence. One such example is the Cybertruck coin, a decentralized meme coin that pays homage to Tesla's iconic electric pickup truck and Musk's sense of humor and meme culture. So Elon Musk's Cybertruck is a groundbreaking all-electric pickup truck designed and manufactured by Tesla under the visionary leadership of the tech entrepreneur CEO Elon Musk, Unveiled in November 2019, the Cybertruck made an immediate impact on the automotive industry and the public's perception of electric vehicles. In July 2023, the first Cybertruck was built on the production line at the Gigafactory in Texas, and Tesla clarified in October that this was the pilot production, with deliveries slated to begin in late November 2023. And I've been seeing lots of news about that lately, about Cybertrucks coming out. And yeah, so they do have a, it says 0 taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap or Flu's Trade or wherever, you most likely will not have to worry too much about slippage. It says contract is renounced. It says there is auto burn technology. So it says truck token has auto burn tech that burns supply from every hour from the liquidity pool without tax. So that's one of the features here. And it says the liquidity pool has been fully burned at launch, fortifying safety and security for the Cybertruck token community. And yeah, so they relinquished control, renounced ownership, and yeah, so at the bottom of their webpage, they got some more links. Now, the cool thing is if you click on DEX tools, it'll take you over to where you could find some audits on this token. Now, it doesn't have anywhere listed on their webpage, here's a full audit. So what you could do is click on the DEX tools chart, and then they have a couple quick audits there that you can review the security on this token. So it says right now the total market cap for this project is $2 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $3 million, and Uniswap liquidity is $153,000. Now, they do have some alerts on their audit, so that's why it's a good idea to check the audits. So it says buy and sell tax is 0%, no honeypot, contract is verified. If you click on the quick audits, they have an audit by Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, Go Plus Security, and Happy Security. So the warnings on here. So Quick Intel says they have a max sell ratio, but then for some reason Token Sniffer, Go Plus, and Happy Security say no. And that always happens. There's conflicting audits. But then this right here, anti-whale mechanism, there's a warning on all of them for anti-whale mechanism across the board. And then also Quick Intel says there's other risks. For some reason, Quick Intel always has more warnings than the rest of them. I have no idea why that happens. There's also a couple warnings from Go Plus Security and Happy Security saying there's a trading cooldown warning, but Quick Intel says there's not. So it's very strange how the audits conflict with one another. So just have a look at their quick audits on their DEX tools chart, which is listed on their page. Make sure you're comfortable with the warnings and the security of this token before investing. Always do your own research, obviously. And I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Cybertruck token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.